Okay, so you can see here that we have the Google Expeditions app loaded onto my Apple phone, iPhone, but the same app works on an Android phone as well. So I'm going to tap on the app, and right away you can see it says Discover here, so I could scroll up and down here and see all the newest Google Expeditions that have been posted. But if I truly want to just find something that's appropriate for my content, I'm going to tap on the search icon and type in, let's say, bees, for instance, and say search. Now I want to show you a little something. You'll see this top one, the icon up in the top. Google Expeditions has just started something new called augmented reality, and that's this expedition would actually be an augmented reality. For the Google Expedition kits that we're going to be using, you want to look for this icon that's on the second one that looks like the little pair of goggles. And so I'm going to tap on that one, and it's going to ask me to download it. And that's fine. I can remove it later. But once it's downloaded, I just click on the check. And now it says, well, how do you want to look at this? I'm not going to put this in my VR right now or in my goggles. I'm just going to view it as full screen. So as you can see, if I use my finger, I can just move around and look at all the different, I get that image of what the 360, what this is going to look like for the students as they start to move their headsets around. This is going to have the same type of action for them. But as a teacher, I want to know what this scene means here that's called Anatomy of a Bee. So if I tap on it, it gives me all the information that I'm going to want to use. Now, as it said in our videos, if I tap on this particular compass here, you don't see it very well, but on the students' machines, it'll direct them to go to that particular spot in the scene. And then you can read and talk about all the different parts of a bee. When you're done, you can just close that. And along the bottom, here's another one called Hive Life. So you can pull that up. Again, it's going to have these points of interest that you might want to take out. And you can decide which one of these scenes that you want to use along the bottom. But this makes it so much easier. Using the app makes it so much easier to really see what is this Google Expedition going to entail. So when I'm done, I'm going to tap on that, and I'm just going to exit out of here. And then I'm going to get back to this home screen again. And along the bottom, it gives me an option. It says, what are your saved, what expeditions have you saved? And I can tap on that. And using the three dots right up here, I can decide remove download, and I can say, yes, I want to remove this download. Are you sure? Yes. And so that's how you can remove them from your phone without feeling like you're using up a lot of space to just kind of review all these Google Expeditions. So I hope that gives you an idea of what the app on the Google Expeditions looks like, especially if you're using it on a phone or a tablet. It does not work on a Chromebook. So like I said in our website, I think that it's much easier to review and look at the different Google Expeditions by downloading the app and then actually reviewing or searching for the type of Google Expeditions that I want to use. Thank you for listening.